Chad and I did a thing tonight. Cleaned up the shop a little, rearranged some stuff, made a little room, moved some stuff around. Looking a lot better in here now. You guys clean?
Yeah, a little bit.
Looks like Chad and Tony cleaned. Nice job on the cleaning.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I make lots of stuff. But they threw it around quite a bit.
They did shake the shit out of it.
I gotta make sure I got everything. One of my things is busted open.
Got me some goodies today. Get some RC stuff.
Yeah, got my stock Titan 550 motors in the mail today to replace my old ones. Just hooked them up. Now I'm waiting for my lipos to come in. They should be here anytime. Nothing special, just get her back.
What size are your lipos that you ordered?
I think they're 6,300.
Okay.
90Cs, which I don't know exactly what all that is. I think it's like time versus power, like how long they last versus the power they give out.
So you got 63s and I ordered 52s for mine.
Yeah. So they should be just about the same. It just kind of depends on. But they're both 2 cells. You got 2 cells and I got 2 cell lipos. So.
I don't know if my engines are gonna last. He already blew his up, and
Yeah, we'll see if these ones last.
these are my original ones
they're cheap,
still.
so they're not too bad.
For real? I don't know.
These were $35, I think, for the pair. But to get an upgraded one, they're like $100 for a single.
Oh shit!
For like a monster, but they're
but they're probably more durable.
They're just as good as both of these. One of them is. You can just replace it, so it's not too bad. But I'm ready to get them out, rip them, ramp them some more. That rock pile we used to have out back, we'd ramp them over it. Yeah,
Ours are so stock though, like ours are just bone stock E-Maxes for the most part. Like Tony's is stock, and then I just have those 2 aluminum tower upgrades.
Yep.
And then these wheels and tires.
My upgrade here for my battery holder. Check it out. See if I can.
This is funny.
Hook it up real quick. There it is. Got my little off-road lights. The battery's not very good, but
What's that off of?
A drill.
That's off of a drill.
Tony.
Slapped in there. Put it on the front. It's got my. Oh, look at this stud. Look at that guy.
Yes.
Yeah. But yeah, this is my little off-road lights, in case I go in the dark. And then my GoPro mount for the top.
Tony.
You can do whatever with them.
this cool. This actually belongs to Mike Woodrum. He's the owner of Woodrum's here in Macomb. Would you look at that? It's for sale. I don't know, he didn't say. It's beautiful. It really is.
Well, I'm out here sitting in the hood of this truck. Wrenching, here we go. About to pull this 750 Holly carb off here. Gonna put it on my 454 big block once it's done here at the machine shop. My buddy Riffy, this big old truck of his motor unfortunately blew up, so he's gonna go with a different setup, get a different smaller carb. He's gonna daily this, so you don't need this 750, and I'm gonna need it for my big block, so he's gonna sell it to me, and go ahead and pull it off real quick. Let's get to it.
Oh, it's thick stuff.
Thicker than a Snickers.
Dusty's lubing up his rod.
Like damn. No rods here.
Yeah, get it on there, Dusty.
I don't know how much you put.
It's just lube. You never get enough lube.
Those are just kind of smearing around in circles all those little.
Yeah.
Probably got nothing pipe, stick it in.
Alright. What is
The trickery guy. That's why them bolts on in so you can hang on to it as you start your in.
Straight in. Nice and slow.
You don't have to turn it, you just have to pick it up and down after you hit the bearings.
There you go, you got her. Nice and slow. Easy does it. Easy does it still.
very nice.
Last one.
Come on.
Up and down, maybe a little bit there.
Yeah, but he's gonna be able to pick the whole cam up right there, though, that's the only thing.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Get her in the rest of the way, then he's spinning around.
Dusty's throwing the heads back on it with brand new ARP bolts. Right?
Yeah.
ARP bolts.
ARP bolt. Well, got the heads back on. Got the cam in. I got to order a new timing chain set because the one I have is not going to work for my application. coming along. I'm ready to rip it, and that's for sure.
Putting the mini spool in.
Alright.
Little shitter rear end.
There we go.
Here we go.
Oh, right there.
Back.
Back. Okay, oops, hold on.
Stop.
Right there.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah, I moved it at all.
Oh yeah, you did. Okay. Let's see. Now.
I'll move it.
The other way. Go the other way.
Other way. Fuck. Alright.
A little bit more. More.
Oh, I got caught. Hold on, I gotta turn.
Cut here more. Right there.
Now, see if that fits. If it's not, we're gonna have to probably shimmy it off a little too, huh? Yep. Back to the grinder.
Tony,
Not mine.
grinding that thing down to nothing. Hit it with your purse, Tony.
Get the pin in there. I know. Ah! Now we gotta spin it to the pinhole. Let's see which way we going, up or down.
It don't matter.
You see what happens, cowboy, when you come out here and see us?
Go the other way.
Tony makes you work.
The fuck.
Oops. I'm with it in here.
He just came out to say hi, and Tony put him to work, Gary. Is your vehicle running out there?
No, I just shut it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Get a bigger bar.
Bigger hammer.
Oh, no, other way. Other way. Oh, no, I guess you're going the right way. And it's just not.
All right, just got done getting a mini spool put in. My buddy Cowboy helped me get it in there. Had a hard time, kinda. This little screw right here about stripped out on us, and them little squares that we put in here after we put the spool parts in, they didn't quite want to fit in. We need just a little bit more, so we had to grind just a little off there to make it fit. So it made it a little tight, so it was hard to get this pin lined up right here to make that bolt go in. But we got her done. See how she works out.
Gotta do a complete detail on this today. Like I said, we detail everything, so. Luckily today it's pretty nice. It's 45 degrees. Tony's getting the hotsy out. Grandpa's sunbathing. What the hell happened? Look at this coat.
What happened today?
It was like 50 degrees, and then like 20 minutes, it's like flash froze everything out here. Literally, like earlier in the video, I know you seen him up on top of the combine, but now look, he's completely frozen. The blue S10's in the air. I was working on it last night, and the rear main seal's leaking on it again from getting beat on last season. So that's something we're gonna have to take care of with this motor when we get it out, along with its heads that I think we got a couple hurt valves, and we'll see. We'll take the heads off and take them to the machine shop, but we have plans with this motor. We're gonna put it in the Camaro, I think. So, and just kind of have that car driving around instead of using it as a burnout vehicle. So that would be neat. Well, the 350's out. Got it all out of there finally. Got everything just kind of pushed to the side. Everything's a mess. Dusty, we're getting out your engine stand. Slap this bad boy on it. Then we can take the oil pan off of it and get it ready to slap on the 383 over here. It's about its time to shine.